Alright guys, what's happening? Tyler Adams here. Just giving everyone updates. This is day one of the surgery. Surgery was at 6:30 a.m. It's about 8 p.m. in the evening. I've been doing a few things throughout the day, bringing you up to date. This is an ACL day one, same day, quad tendon repair with two areas of meniscus repair as well. So I'm in an immobilizer where I'm straight the entire time, but when I'm non-weight bearing, I can move it. So when I'm weight bearing, it has to be straight, but I can move it here. So I've done this a few times a day, just trying to bring that leg back, that foot back, holding it there for about 10 seconds. From there, an option if I want to take it out and then bring it back in, or do I want to try to bring it in again? So here we go, bringing it in just a little bit more. There we go. My goal marker's to kind of that mid-foot today, so that's kind of what I've been going for. I'll hold it here for 10 seconds. Other than that, I've been using the stimulator for the quad to try to get it to fire, and a little cold machine right there, but we'll keep you up to date on how things are going. Not doing any straight leg raises. I don't have the quad control yet or anything, but trying to get this range of motion day one. Alright, see you guys.